Hi guys, so now we're going to learn chapter 1, still chapter 1. It's in the subtopic of states of matter. Alright, so at the end of this topic, you should be able to explain the general properties of solid, liquid and gas in terms of arrangement of particles, shape, density and compressibility. Okay, now as you all can see, there are three states of matter, which is solid like this, liquid and also gas. All right, and here are the particles. If you zoom in, this is the particles of solid, very closely packed and rigid, and this is the particle of liquid, and this is the particle of gas, which are very further apart. Now, so the arrangement of particles for solid, as I said before, they are closely packed and orderly. All right, meanwhile for liquid, they're a bit further apart, not orderly, or sometimes we can see they're still closely packed. Actually, you can comparably, they're still closely packed, okay, all right, but not orderly, okay. And for gas, yeah, you can say they're very far apart, okay. These three, you should say them, you should mention them in a way that they compare, we are comparing, the arrangement of particles. Okay, now moving on. The shape and volume of gas, okay, is equal to the shape of the container, while for liquid, the shape of a liquid is equal to the shape of container, but they have definite volume, okay. Gas doesn't have definite shape and definite volume, no. All right. Solid, meanwhile, of course, they are very rigid, so they have definite shape and definite volume. In terms of compressibility, solid are not compressible because there are very little space between the particles. All right, but for liquid, they're not easily compressible because they only has little free space between particles. Meanwhile, gases are very easily compressible because they have lots of free spaces between particles. All right, and in terms of density, comparably, okay, solid has the highest density, while liquid has moderate density and gas has a very low density. So that's all.